Hi everyone, my name is Jordan, the person behind Mrs Priestley ICT, a place where teachers and educators from across the world can find tips, tricks, resources and ideas for their classroom. No matter what age you teach, there's something for you on my website, Mrs Priestley ICT. I am so excited to be joining all of the other amazing presenters at RTCON20. I'm going to be sharing a session on Seesaw, so Get Sweet with Seesaw, a beginning session that unpacks the tools and gives you tips and ideas for using Seesaw in your classroom. If you're interested in that, definitely come along to this amazing opportunity. It is from the 23rd of November until the 7th of December, all online, so you don't even have to leave the comfort of your home. You can watch in your pajamas. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm so excited to join all of you amazing educators from over here in New Zealand, and I can't wait to see you all there.